my lovelies, it's Nisha. So today I wanted to show you a few tricks on how to make your eyes more lifted and bigger. So hooded eyes is one thing, but a lot of us have downturned eyes, and I have eyes that sort of you know, like a sad puppy eyes. And there are few makeup tricks that will make our eyes appear more lifted and bigger. I think today I will use sort of browns, and I will use the Charlotte Tilbury, the Sophistycate palette, and I might use some Makeup Geek ones as well. So first of all, we need to apply light color all over our lid to make our lid appear bigger and more open. I'm going to use the MAC Blanc type. Especially concentrate on your mobile lid because we don't have much lid space and we want this to look much bigger. And also go right under your eyebrow. Now I'm going to go to this mid brown in Charlotte Tilbury's palette, and now we want to apply it right above our crease. So carve it out right above the crease so all this stays light, therefore bigger. Also, don't go too low with the dark shadow because we want this to be as wide as possible. So sort of go towards your eyebrow and blend it upwards. Don't go below the crease. Because as soon as we put the dark color here, we're closing our eye in. And there is nothing wrong with doing makeup the other way. You know, I do makeup all sorts of ways. I use one dark color all over, but this is just trick if you want to make your eye look bigger and lifted. And then here, go up with whatever you've got left towards the tail of your eyebrow. So sort of very slight half moon and flick it upwards. I'm going to take a more pointy brush and I'm going to go into the darker brown and now just define that crease to give myself this definite, it's almost like a cut crease, but not. But just to give me that defined border between the light and the dark. And I'm only going in the middle here with it. I don't want to go down because I will drag my eye even more down. So can you see by that I've given myself illusion of this being much bigger. Now I'm going to go again into this dark color and we're going to start shading this droopy bit of our eye. So don't go too far down with the dark shadow, stop about here. And now we're going to draw this line up like this, that will lift the eye. And you know, like normally I shade the whole half the eye. Well, I'm not going to do it this time. I'm making more of a triangle. Can you see? And then just blend that edge out into the crease. So you're almost making a triangle. That sort of will give you that elongated, lifted shape. So everything you're blending out towards the tail of your eyebrow. Do this with a little brush, whatever is more comfortable for you. You can even do it with a little pencil brush and then just blend it out. As long as you're making that sort of triangle here. Okay, I hope you can see how that has lifted my eye. Even when I drop my eyes, you know, don't lift my eyebrows like I normally do. If I drop my eyes, you see this shape so much more lifted than this drooping eye. Okay, another very good tip is to use something shimmering in a corner. You can use it in the middle of your lid as well. That really makes that eyelid pop. So let's use Makeup Geek Starry Eyed. You know I love this. This eyeshadow, and I'm going to concentrate it in my inner corner and also under here. So we are brightening up, opening up that inner corner. This is especially good for people that have their eyes set very close to the nose. That will push the eyes, well, push the eyes away and give the illusion of wider set eyes. And we can also put that shimmery eyeshadow under our eyebrow. That's gonna lift the eyebrow up. Now, I wouldn't recommend for droopy eyes to use thick eyeliner because that will just cover your mobile lid and close that up. But what you can do is use the line just at the end of your eye again to lift it. So I've got here the new Benefit roller liner, which I love. This one is in that dark brown, and just follow that eyeshadow. So that will give us a lift as well. Now, when it comes to a bottom lash line, you can leave it, but I feel like adding like blown out brown eyeshadow sort of balances the top and gives you illusion of your eye being wider. I would avoid a very dark and tight line, dark eyeshadow, or the worst thing to make your eyes look even smaller is putting liquid black eyeliner on your bottom lash line. So I'm going to go again to this this light brown in Charlotte Tilbury's, and I will go not right into the corner, and I'm going to go quite low to sort of blow it out and smudge it. So you don't want anything very, very dark here. The next trick is to put flesh colored liner in your waterline. That will brighten up your waterline and also almost make it become one with the whites of your eyes, therefore making your eye looking bigger. This is really good. So, you know, I've hauled it not long ago. This is the new Benefit Eye Bright pencil, and it's supposed to be waterproof, and it does stay on most of the day. So it's really, really good. So what you do, you put this liner in your waterline, you need to work it in a bit. And another trick to make your eyes lifted, carry on this light line under that black liner. Can you see that? That gives you illusion of that cat eye. Okay, now mascara. Let's put mascara on this eye. And again, you can do it with any colors. It is just about the dark and the light, all the illusion of bringing things out with lighter shades and hiding things, lifting things with darker shades. So you don't have to use exactly the same colors that I have used. It's just the principles. and eyelashes are also very important to make your eyes look bigger. But now you can add false eyelashes, but I would stay away from very thick full false eyelashes because they will just cover the entire eyelid that we've just worked so hard to make bigger. You should use just like the accent lashes. They go just on the end. If you've got full lashes, just cut them off so they go from about half of your eye to the outer corner. And as you know, my favorite ones, I've got them all in here, are the, not the middle ones, these ones. These ones are 3/4 lashes from Fleur de Force. I will leave you the link down below. These are my favorite lashes because they obviously don't go all the way around your eye. They are more flared and longer at the end, which will again help to lift the eye. Now, when you're applying your lashes, make sure that this outer corner goes a bit higher. So you don't follow your lash line here right at the end because we have droopy eyes. You apply it tiny bit higher, and because you've put a bit of eyeliner in there, you won't see the gap. So apply that, then push the eyelash up because you don't want the eyelash to be pointing down because that will make your eyes look droopier as well. So as soon as you attach the lash, push it up. Now, if after you've put the lashes on and that line disappeared, you can go back and adjust it so you can see it. Okay, and that's the finished look. So have a look at both eyes. I'm sure you can see that this eye looks much more lifted, open here, than this one that just droops right down. Okay, my lovelies, so I hope you enjoyed it and found it helpful. Thank you so much for watching and stay fabulous. Bye.